45 and 46. Verse 45 and 46. Hanggang anong oras po tayo? Malapit lang po ba ang ano dito? Lego Marshall. Okay, verse 45. Again, the kingdom of heaven is like unto treasure. Verse 45. Again, the kingdom of heaven is like unto a merchantman seeking goodly pearls, who, when he had found one pearl of great price, went and sold all that he had and bought it. Gusto kong pamagatan ng ating pag-aaralan, one pearl of great price. Tayo po ay manalangin, Panginoon,